Almighty, grant us strength and endurance to go through the tough tests right now. Many are wandering hopelessly. We know giving up is not an option. Keep us steadfast and firm in faith. No matter what's happening, fill our hearts with hope always. We know you have our backs. Some get threatened when other people shine their light on the rest of the world. They think that if you shine bright, it somehow gives them less opportunity to find their own success. Remember, the Almighty has given us all a chance to be successful. There is room for all of us. Stop oversharing. Stop telling everything about your life to others. Our constant need for approval from virtual strangers is somewhat problematic. If we refrain from sharing a situation, it doesn't become any less valid or exciting. Rather, it becomes more personal and valuable. No matter what others say about you, keep going. Just close your eyes and remind yourself that the Almighty is watching. Your efforts, your patience, etc., He's aware of everything. Look past the struggles, look past the pain. It's not easy, but it will all be worth it in the end. In this age of social media, it's easy to fret if your efforts don't receive recognition or publicity. But realize that the Almighty's protecting your sincerity and your work from corruption. Remember, He loves deeds that are small and consistent. So don't shortchange yourself. When the Almighty wills something, nothing can stop it from happening. We should submit to Him and not question it. So, don't get disheartened if you're not married or with children yet. You may not be where you want to be, but you're exactly where He wants you to be. Your value as a person does not come from the material things in life. You always have something of value to offer the world, and you don't need anyone else's validation to know this. So don't compare yourself to your friends. Be happy for them whatever their situation may be. Don't expect perfection in this life. The mess-ups, the delays, the heartbreaks, the things you don't understand, they're all part of the Almighty's plan for you. He's worked out every detail in each chapter of your life. Your job is to bear good patience as you go through it. Realize that you cannot control other people. You can't force them to do what they don't want to do. The only person you can control is you. So don't let their behavior and what they do upset you. Your worrying, obsessing, venting, etc., has zero impact on them. It only hurts you. Never let anybody steal your happiness. Never let anyone keep you from seeing and sharing goodness with those around you. Never let someone's hurtful words or actions wound you so deeply that you feel crippled and unable to forgive them. Let it go. Keep your focus. Rise above it all.